Yeah, it's too narrow of a margin, and with me sitting on the other side of the ramp, I don't want to miss this, and this thing come flipping right into my face. What's up, guys? Back out here with Old Faithful, the red Kraton. Just out for her kind of last run before a complete rebuild and some major upgrades. We got an M2C chassis waiting, then all metal hinge pin braces. Now that I've ordered them and like torn down my V4, not sure all of them were worth it, but whatever. She's got the power system from my V3 Kraton in her right now. Some stuff is making some noise, so I'm not sure if like a diff's gonna explode or something like that. It could just be I set the pinion and spur gear mesh wrong, but we're gonna send it anyways. That and we're gonna go expert level ramps here. I'm sure I'm gonna miss these. I guarantee you I'm probably gonna miss one because let's see, the Kraton is just about as wide as these. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stand. Well, this will be fun. Probably gonna miss these a lot and screw up jumps, but whatever. Picked it. Am I gonna even hit that power line? Yeah, let's just go off in the wild. Go off in the wild, don't pay attention. Don't pay attention to driving. It'll be close. I should probably move it. Holy shit. Okay. Yep, worth it. Oof. Oof. Yeah, you definitely need two of these side by side. But, oh man. Nah, should be okay. Oh my god, that's really high. That's awesome. Oh my goodness. Yeah, no, wow, and I'm only hitting these at like 30% throttle. Yeah, it's too narrow of a margin, and with me sitting on the other side of the ramp, I don't want to miss this, and this thing come flipping right into my face. So would like to not have a trip to the hospital today. So yep. I need more ramps. That, or I need to make an adjustable base or something like that so I could take both of these ramps and take both of these ramps and like support them up with wood bases. Oh man, make a wood platform so both of these can sit side by side. Yes. Yep. No, it's gonna happen. It's got to happen. All right, almost took an RC car to the face. I think the Kraton, this thing's probably pissed because earlier today I said, I might go home in a body bag. So I didn't mean it, I'm sorry. Yeah, I gotta make some sort of wood support for these. Yep. Oh man, this is some intense hair. Oh, that didn't sound good. That's a tower bender right there. Yeah. Oops. That was my fault. I'm sorry. Oh. I sheared the mount screw off there. And there. And there. Wow. Sheared all the Alright, well, I have more of those, but Jesse's good. Really? Is that all I broke? Are you serious? Tower's bent a little, but I can live with that. Well, Carnage assessment is that I sheared off all the screws for the shock towers. So, at least except one. So, I've got one shock dangling here, held on by a zip tie. Oh, poor state. And then, yeah. Oops! Well, hey, I did say go home in a body bag. Unfortunately, my boneheaded roof landing caused that to end real quick. So, hey, but the fan was still going, so that's always a plus. So, I'm always happy when that fan's still spinning at the end of a bash. So, slightly bent shock tower. You know what? It's time for this old girl to get a rebuild. So, you know, it's definitely in due for diff service. It needs all new bearings. Yeah, this tower to tower brace almost looks bent. It looks bent right here. I think it's bent. I think I bent the tower to tower brace. Oh, go figure. Yeah, no, that's bent. Yeah, that fucking bent. All right, well, hey, you know what? MTC chassis on the way. So, this old girl's getting some upgrades. My boneheaded landing kind of caused an oops. So, whatever. Don't do it like what I did. Keep the shiny side up.